Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Cyber Noobs. Today we are going to make a ransomware which will be a basic and playable and friendly ransomware which will show you how it works and how ransomware encrypts the files. So without wasting any time, let's go on my computer screen.
Disclaimer. This video is created strictly for educational and cybersecurity learning purposes. The encryption and decryption scripts shown here are used only on my own files in a controlled environment to demonstrate how ransomware-style encryption works. Do not use this code to harm, damage, or access anyone's data or systems. Unauthorized encryption, hacking, or tampering with files is illegal and punishable under cybercrime laws. Always practice ethical hacking and follow legal guidelines.
First we will open our Kali Linux machine. In it we will start our terminal. First, now we will use cd command to change the directory to desktop. Now in desktop we are going to create a new directory or folder which will be called as YouTube. Now we will again change the directory to YouTube. Now over here we are going to create two files by touch command which will be called as yt-encrypt and yt-decrypt.py files. Now in YouTube we are going to write our code, encryption code and decryption code. So now we will also need two more files, text files. Now by the echo command we are going to put some text in file 1 and file 2 txt files. Now we are going to use a nano editor to write code, encryption and decryption code. So nano yt-encrypt.py. Now over here we are going to write our encryption code. So import OS. OS is a package which allows us to interact with the files and folders of OS. Now after that we are going to use from cryptography.fernet import fernet. Why these packages are used? These creates encrypted files and fernet is an encryption tool. So after this we are going to create a list, empty list, which will be a files over here in this list. So over here in this list we are going to save the encrypted files name, and after this we are going to use a for loop which will go through all the files in this folder, in this current directory of YouTube. So now let's write the loop for file in os.list function which will go through whole directory and encrypt the files which are there. So in this directory we have our yt-encrypt.py and also yt-decrypt.py, and in this directory only we will also have our the key.key file in which our encrypted key will be stored. So for that we are going to write a if statement. So if file is equal to yt-encrypt.py or file is equal to the key.key or file is equal to yt-decrypt.py. So what this says, leave these three files and encrypt other remaining all files of this folder. So after this line we are going to write if os.path is file function into bracket files dot append file. What this line means: check if item is a file, not a folder, and append means add the file name to the list files. So when it will go through the directory, it will save the file names in files list. So now print files, this prints the list of the files that will be encrypted. Now after this we are going to write key is equal to fernet dot generate key function. This will create a brand new random encryption key which will be used to decrypt the encrypted files, and this key will be saved in the key.key file. So now after this we are going to write with open into bracket the key.key comma wb as the key, the key dot write into bracket key. But what this line means what this line means, this means opens a file named the key in write binary mode and saves the generated key inside it. So the key will be written in the key dot key file. So after this we are going to write again a for loop for file in files. So these loops go through every file collected earlier. After this we are going to write with open into bracket file rb as the file contains the file dot read function. What this line means, it means open the file in read binary mode and it will read all its data. Now after this contents underscore encrypted is equal to contents underscore encrypted is equal to fernet key dot encrypt key and encrypt contents. What this lines means, this line means encrypt the file data using the fernet key. So over here we are encrypting that data of all files by using the fernet key which we generated earlier. So after this we are going to use with open. Okay, basically open means we are opening the file and writing the data as the file. Okay, so open file wb as the file dot write contents encrypted. What this lines means, open the same file again in write binary mode and overwrite original content with the encrypted content. So this line will write the binary mode, write the file again in binary mode and overwrite original content with the encrypted content. This means this will open the same file again in write binary mode and overwrite original content with the encrypted content. Now what will be the result? All files are now encrypted and unreadable without the key. So for that we will need the decryption key. So let's write the decryption code in ytdecrypt.py. So over here we are going to write first of all import OS and also from cryptography.fernet import fernet, and again we will write files is equal to square brackets our list, our empty list. Okay, after this we are going to write for loop for file in OS list dir looks at every item in the folder if file list dir. Okay, after this we will write if statement if file is equal to yt encrypt.py or file is equal to the key or file is equal to decrypt.py. So the content is same but we are using that content for decryption. So ytdecrypt.py. Now we will write continue. This keeps these same three files, ensure decrypt.py does not decrypt itself. So if os.path dot is file into bracket file files dot append file. So now we will print the file and with open with open the key dot key rb s key secret key is equal to key read function opens the key file, read the secret key into secret key. Reads, what this line means, this opens the key file and reads the secret key into secret key. So after this we are going to write for loop again for file in files. This loop go through every encrypted files. Now with open file rb with open file rb as the file contents is equal to the file dot read function file rb as the file contents is equal to the file dot read file the file dot read function. What this line do, it reads the encrypted data, and now we will write contents underscore decrypted is equal to fernet secret key into bracket secret key dot decrypt contents into bracket contents. What this line do, it uses the key to decrypt the file. So because of this line we can decrypt our encrypted file. So after this we will again write with open into bracket file wb is the file dot write into bracket contents underscore decrypted with open into bracket file wb as the file dot write into bracket contents decrypted. So what this line means, it means write the plain data back into the file, so it will write again a plain text. So result will be all files returned to the original readable form. So now let's try running it. First of all we will use cat command to show you how the first what it will show. So cat command is used to see the content which is there in the file. So the error is coming an encrypt key, I guess. Let's check it. So over here I have by mistakenly written wrong, it will be contents. So let's check now running it. Python 3 yt encrypt.py. So yes, it ran. Now let's check the file. Is it encrypted? Yes, it was encrypted. It is encrypted, I mean. So let's try to decrypt it first. I guess there is an error in our code. Let's check it. Oh sorry, I haven't written all over here. So let's write all and try it again to decrypt our files. There is again an error. Oh, I by mistakenly not remember that I haven't wrote the line. Actually, I missed it. Append line. So why the error is coming again? Okay, let's check it out. Let's try again. So now our files have decrypted again. Let's check. So this was the encryption and decryption code tutorial to show you how ransomware works exactly. So we have created the basic and playable ransomware which will help you to understand how it works. So guys, like my video and subscribe my channel and share my video too. So for the amazing and upcoming videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.